Hello, this is Kelly and Selena Belvin. We're with Top Quality Doors, and we're located in Oklahoma. So one of the challenges that GDU has helped us with is moving him out of the truck, because it's always been something that we wanted to do, but we just never could move quite far enough. And GDU has helped us to see through our group work that that's possible and supported us in making that change. So many of us feel that we're in this all by ourselves, that we're the only ones who've gone through this, or we must be the only ones because other people are succeeding and moving on, that therefore we must be the only ones who have suffered this. The ability to visit with others that are in your same level of where you're at in your business allows you to see that you're not alone, and that you have some kind of support system in place that, you know, you may not be able to go home and talk to your spouse about it, or you definitely can't talk to the employees about it. They don't know, they don't understand. And so we all do.
We've learned that it's not about price anymore. It's all about value, what they can create.
So with that, they've gotten a shift in their mindset that we're not out there trying to push and sell our clients something. We're providing them with the options of things that they might actually need. They just don't know it.
And that's all from what we've learned at GDU and Ryan.